It's winding so hard. I literally spent 2 seconds getting my phone and now it's raining a bit. But it's raining so hard, but it's, well, not raining, but it's so windy. You hear that? Like the literal trees are shaking. But the thing is, it's not even raining. And it's really weird. And the air feels really moist. So there might be a tornado. There's probably gonna be a tornado. Oh my gosh, do you see how windy that is? Those trees are so sturdy though. They rarely shake. It's just starting to rain if you look at the umbrella. But it's winding so hard it seems like it would be raining 24/7. Okay, now it's starting to rain. Oh, that's windy, okay. Yeah. Okay, it's raining a lot more now. Yep. With this little thing, it just started right now and it's already like pouring. So I'm assuming there's gonna be a tornado or a really big storm. So that you hear that rain. I'm gonna reach my hand. Okay, I didn't get anything, but you know it's really wet. Whoa, look at those boards! Missed them. But yeah, this is just something that happened randomly. So, bye. I'll make a part 2 if it gets any worse or something, or if there's a tornado, but hopefully we don't lose power or something. Because it's like, I've only experienced one actual. Whoa, look at that shaking. Now it's getting kind of scary. The air's kind of moist. I don't know if that's from the rain, but I'm assuming, like, I think there's gonna be a tornado. I'm predicting a tornado because the air's a bit more moist. But yeah, now it's actually raining and it's windy. But I'll make a part 2, but I'm gonna be ending the video. Oh, it's really windy and really loud. I'm gonna reach my hand out there in a second. Okay, now that's wet. Like, that's actually a lot of water. Did the tree collapse? Paul, I knew it was gonna happen anytime. There's probably gonna be a tornado or a huge thunderstorm, but you can hear it from outside. And I've almost been on YouTube for a whole year. At first, my dad got this YouTube channel, but then he never actually even used or posted a video. So, well, one time when I was like really young, when Minecraft first came out, I actually found a way to post YouTube. Okay, I'm gonna say inside, but I actually found a way to post YouTube and made a Minecraft one. But then I deleted it since it was really cringe, I guess. I don't know if my videos are more cringe or less or medium. It's hard to believe just like less than 10 minutes ago. No, like 5 or 4 minutes ago it was fine, and now it's like this. Okay. That's loud. Kit Kat. Yes, I do really want chocolates. Hot chocolate's actually good. Told you I eat hot chocolate. My people think biting into the Kit Kat's a quote-unquote crime, but not even that bad. I'll do it right now. Notification. Can't believe like 5 minutes ago, it was 5 or 6 minutes ago, it wasn't raining at all. Make a part 2 in like 15 minutes, but yeah. Ow. I say ow, but I didn't even get touched by anything except ants. Yeah. It's really scary. Not scary, but it's foggy. Okay, doors closed. Wow. I'm making a video. Whoa, this is from a different view. Look at that. What? Literally 7 or 6 minutes ago, it wasn't raining at all.
Look how scary.
Is that really scary? But that's from one view, and this is from the other. Bye.